start recording. Yeah, so we'll have today's recording in the welcome session for today on Whova. And then we are offering 10 continuing ed credits through the Society for Ecological Restoration. We had a question about how to apply for those credits. I haven't heard back yet about that process from our contact there, but as soon as if I get some information about that today, I will let everybody know during one of our breaks. And then quick look at our poll from yesterday. Just wanted to show this again to show, where we're all coming from. We have about a third of the group that are also members of a seed partnership. So that's really great to hear. And then some that aren't or aren't sure. And then for affiliation, about a third of the attendees are coming from nonprofit organizations. We've got about a quarter from federal, state, and local government and agencies, quite a few consultants, some members from tribes. It's exciting to see we've got about 40 seed producers and native plant nursery growers here. So hopefully you'll find those grower panels today interesting. And then we've got some students and academics, and then retired, and then a handful of other affiliation. So we've got about 5 minutes for Doug's chat, or before Doug's presentation. And just in another attempt to help get everybody online before Doug starts, I'm just going to pause for another 5 minutes, and then we'll come back at 9:15 to introduce Doug. So we will see you here again in about 5 minutes.